Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious iced oatmeal cookies. Super easy to make, perfect for the holidays. So you could go ahead and take a screenshot of all the ingredients because I will have it listed down below. So on your way in, if you could do me a favor and hit that like. Also leave me a comment and tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is mix together all our dry ingredients, which right here I'm using 2 cups of rolled oatmeal, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 'And we're going to now just turn our mixer on low and continue to stir while we add the rest of our ingredients. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract, and now while our mixer is still on low, we're going to go ahead and then add our dry ingredients. Try to do this as slow as you can. I sort of had an accident right here where some spilled out, but oh well, y'all get the idea. Now we're going to add a ½ cup of sugar. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. Last but not least, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You may need to take breaks in between just to get a spatula to scrape off the edges, because sometimes that butter kind of stick to the edges. So just a quick tip. So now that our dough has formed, we're going to go ahead and stick this inside the refrigerator for about 30 to 45 minutes and just till it get nice and firm. I decided to put it on plastic wrap because it seems to chill it out faster. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you, I appreciate it. And if you don't mind, please leave me a purple heart down in the comment section just so I can know that who was here. So now once your dough has fully chilled in the refrigerator, we can now take it out and start making our cookies. Now we're going to place our cookies in the oven on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's get started with our icing. So now for our icing, we're going to use 2 cups of powdered sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2.5 tablespoons of milk. And now we're just going to mix this all together until we get a nice creamy consistency. And once your mixture is well mixed, it should look something like this. So once your cookies have fully cooled down, we're going to now ice our cookies, which is super easy. All we're going to do is just sit it inside. And right here, I know where I made the mistake. I should have added more milk because I got a little more cream. But I like a lot of icing on mine, so I didn't really mind it too much. But if you want a thinner icing, you would add a little more, milk to it. And just like that, we made ourselves some old-fashioned iced oatmeal cookies. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I appreciate you all for stopping by. Until the next video, peace.